Lucian, pasok po tayo ngayon sa Musée du Louvre. Ito yung pinakamalaki na museum sa buong mundo, kaya naman talaga pinipilahan. Ayan, security check pa lang yan. Naku, abot ng oras yan, kaya dumaan na kami sa Port de Leon. Meron nga pala kaming skip the line tickets, kaya nakapasok kami ng walang kahirap-hirap. O, diba, wala pang tao kasi umaga pa po yan. Dumiretso na kami kay Mona Lisa and boom, marami ng tao. Siya naman kasi talaga yung highlight sa Louvre. Yung glass niya is actually bulletproof. Flex ko na din version ko sa kanya. This museum is massive and literally like a maze. That's why when you come here, you have to plan which works of art you would like to see. Anyway, if hindi ka sure, malalaman mong may something if you see a crowd in front of some works of art like these. Sa sobrang daming pwedeng makita mo dito ay nakakahilo din, pero hinanap talaga namin si Venus de Milo. At syempre, hindi naman siya magpapahuli sa dami ng tao na gusto siyang makita, edi sobrang ganda naman talaga niya. There are other famous sculptures that you should not miss, like this Winged Victory of Samothrace, as well as Psyche revived by Cupid's Kiss. Hindi namin namalayan 4 hours na pala yung lumipas since pumasok kami. Nakakagutom at nakakapagod din. Mabuti na lang talaga meron makakainan sa loob ng museum. At ito pa talaga yung display ng Cafe Concerto, kaya pumasok na kami at kumain ng lunch. Ayan, outside. Ito po yung kinuha naming dessert. Finally, happy tummy. After namin kumain, pumunta na kami sa souvenir shop at doon bumili ng gifts for our friends and family. Dito na po nagtatapos yung tour natin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like and follow for more. Cheers!